bless and guide us.
All right. To formally begin our program, may I invite everyone to please stand as we honor our nations. We'll be singing the Australian National Anthem, followed by the Filipino National Anthem.
Ready? Sing. Australians, so let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We love and soil and wealth for our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty, rich and rare. In history's wastelands, every state, advance Australia fair. In joyful strength and let us sing, advance Australia fair. Sing with me. We lead our rage and sound and promise, good toil with hearts and hands, to make this commonwealth of ours freedom on all the lands. For those who come across the seas, with boundless faith to share, with courage let us all combine to advance Australia fair. In joyful strength and let us sing, advance Australia fair. Bayang mag-ibig,
Burn sa silanganan,
alam ng puso, sa'y mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, doon ka lang magiting, sa manlulupit, di ka masisihin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit purugaw. Malilagang tula at awit sa kanyang minamahal, ang kisat ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagdidinig, ang bituin at araw niyang kailan pag mo'y di magdidinig. Lupa ng araw ng walang ipasita, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang ligaya ng pag may mga api, ang mamatay na dahil sa'yo. On the side for $2.50. Water and soft drinks for $2.50 each. Thank you. Please give them a round of applause for the last time. Whee! Okay, thank you to our dancers for the thoughtful and graceful performance. Okay, round of applause. Babalik sila. Babalik po sila mamaya. They're exiting now.
Okay, we will try to sing one Filipino song popularized and composed by the Apo Hiking Society. The title is Panalangin, and in English it's prayer, so we are here to try. So this is our last rehearsal. We have been practicing, but we are not going somewhere. So this is our last rehearsal. Father Roll, please come. We're just rehearsing here.
Thanks.
So for those who know the song, please join us. It's a popular song, Panalangin, by the Apo Hiking Society.
No.
Okay, I think we're ready. nating dalawa. At sana naman makikinig ka kapag aking sasabihin, minamahal kita. Panalangin ko sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, makasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko. Papaya ang pusong ito, mawala ka sa aking piling, mahal ko iyong dinggin. Panalangin ko sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, makasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko. Papaya ang pusong ito, mawala ka sa aking piling, mahal ko iyong dinggin. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Mayroon pa, mayroon pa.
More, more.
Okay, so that was the Filipino song. We're gonna sing another song as requested, but it's an English song. It's more about love. As the homily today is about love, we're gonna sing about love. And I know that you know the song, Love is Many Splendor Thing. Love is many splendor thing. Please join us. It's amazing, it's the April rose that only grows in the early spring. Giving a reason to believe in the golden crown that makes a man a king. Walks on a high and windy hill. In the morning mist, to lovers kiss, and the world to still. Your fingers touch my silent heart and taught me how to sing. Yes, true love, a many splendor thing. Was on a high and windy hill. In the morning mist, the lovers kiss, and the world stood still. And your face flushed my silent heart and toy. How we sing, yes, true love, amazing splendor. Thank you. I think that's enough. Thank you.
More practice. More practice.
You're right. More,
Hindi na napipilit.
more practice. Thank you guys. Thank you fathers. And then that was great. Come back next year.
White tissue. White tissue. Handshake. Eh, pati oh.
If you have any questions, you want to know anything about fire safety, the dangers of lithium-ion batteries, come talk to our crew over there, and they'll be giving you some tips. And for the kids, if you want to check out the fire trucks, we'll let you jump on the truck as well. Thank you.
Yay! Thank you
Thank you.
for your valuable services and reminders.
Okay. Main meal will not be completed without desserts. Once again, we'll invite everyone to enjoy the dessert prepared to us by our generous volunteers.
One line lang po.
Please make one line.
Okay, senior citizen, one line. Pag sinabing one line, one line. Pag kanya dalawa, babalik sa likod.
Senior citizen and Australian
Senior citizen daw, te. Te. Senior citizen. Ay,
Please show your card.
bisag dili pa senior lago, te. You don't like that? Uman ko diri kay senior ko. Uman ka kay senior. Elate. Si Sersa. Ah.
Please present your ID.
Please present your ID if
Oh
you're
my
a senior, okay?
We have to verify it.
Junior kami yan.
Yung maitim pa na buhok, hindi pa senior.
Mga junior kami yan. Kaya mag-record. Senior.
Is Pista Ursan Dominion. First and foremost, I would like to thanks to our Paris Press in Wyoming. This is the first to Father.
She should promote it. Maybe at the hospital. I love her. She can help a lot.
Larry, the rules are there to protect her. The outside world, just a therapist. It's not going to be ordinary standard practice.
Have you ever tried it? Like, is it packed down?
Well, it's rare, but nothing yet. Both my parents said how you ever done it. It's like master. It's kind of how they found each other.
Your dad did it too?
Can I help you? I need to deal with stuff. I don't think he's expecting that. I don't have much time. I need to speak with her now. Please, I need help. Okay. You miss me, right? Are you out? I heard she can help me. Once I try to purchase her, I told her she's going to know where I am. I need to see her before. You got it. Your alarm set for tomorrow. It's 5 a.m. Next month.
shore.
Do you need me to call the police? No, please. Just speak to her. We have a procedure. I have a procedure that we do need to do. What's your name? And how old are you? 14. And how did you She did.
Hi guys, umuwi na kami kasi maulan-ulan, hindi na namin tinapos yung yung sinolog. Kasi ang lakas ng hangin, tapos ulan ba, tapos umuwi na lang kami, hindi na namin tinuloy. Kahit umuwi na kami, maulan-ulan. Ulan pa rin dito guys. Dati yung last year mainit yung panahon, ngayon maulan tsaka mahangin. Look at that, the river brown na. Yung iba flood a little bit lang. Yan. So, umuwi na kami. Gusto pa namin sana mag-enjoy lang. Dagat yung lake. So, hindi na namin tinapos kasi